Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super useful Google Docs hack. How to turn your document into one long, seamless page. This is perfect for 2025's digital workflows, whether you're writing a blog, creating notes, or collaborating on projects without those annoying page breaks getting in the way. If you've ever printed a doc or shared it online and wished it just flowed endlessly, this tutorial is for you. First things first, let's talk about why this matters. In the default view, Google Docs splits your content into pages for easy printing, but for screen-based work, it can feel choppy. Switching to pageless mode gives you a clean, continuous scroll, making it easier to read and edit on devices like laptops or tablets. Alright, let's get started. Open up the Google Doc you want to modify. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once it's open, head to the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Mode. Hover over that, and you'll find two choices: Pages and Pageless. Simply click on Pageless to activate it. Boom! Your document will instantly transform into one long page. You can now scroll through your entire content without any interruptions. If you need to make adjustments, like changing fonts or adding images, everything works just as it did before, just without the page breaks. One quick tip. If you're working with a team, remember that collaborators might need to switch to pageless mode themselves to see the same view. Also, if you ever want to go back to the traditional pages layout, just go back to View, Mode, and select Pages. There you have it. That's how you make Google Docs one long page in 2025. This feature is a game changer for productivity, especially with more people working remotely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other Google Docs tricks you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.